What's going on YouTube? It's your boy the Young Crowned Otaku here, and today we're going to be talking about one of your boy's personal favorite animes. Pretty sure y'all probably haven't heard of it because for some reason it's not as famous as it should be. It's not a mainstream anime, but it's definitely in my top 5, if not number 1. You know what? I'm going to put it out there. Say it's my favorite anime of all time, which is Air Gear's a close second. I did love the Air Gear anime franchise. Kind of tanked towards the end though. That's why this is rising to number 1 for real. But enough suspense. Let me give it to y'all right now. Night Hunters Eternity. This is the second installment to the Night Hunters franchise. Probably the last because new company took this over. The old company sued them because they changed everything without their consent. You'll probably never see another Night Hunters again, which is a shame because this was such a fantastic series. I tell everybody I meet about it because it's worth it. It's worth a lot of hype. It should be in everybody's top 5 favorite animes of all time. Now, I'm willing to go as far as to say, if you all buy this and you don't like it for some reason, I will personally refund you your money back because I am that confident that if you like anime, you're gonna like Night Hunters. No ifs, ands, and buts about it. Now, I gotta put a disclaimer out there. This is definitely an anime I feel like should be rated M. If it could get a rating, it would be rated M for mature, rated R, you know, all of that jazz. Kind of like an 18 and over type deal. Because it is dark, people do die, and it's a lot of mystery involved into it, so you gotta be able to think a little bit. Because without spoiling too much, these guys are kind of like, what's the word I can say? Good assassins? Like, they assassinate for the greater good. And of course, with all assassinations comes, you know, the people trying to kill the assassins. But enough about that. I don't want to spoil too much about it because it's such a fantastic anime. From the opening music to the ending theme song, I listen to it all the time. It's one of those animes where you actually don't want to skip the music. I went as far as to download the actual anime songs. Oh man, I play it. I actually play it in the car. I'm like, yo, check this out. I don't understand a thing they saying, but I rocks with it because I feel it. I feel it and I rocks with it. But like I said, if for some reason y'all don't like this anime, just send your boy a message. I'm not even supposed to do it, but I will refund you your money because I'm 100% sure if you're an anime lover, there's no reason you should not have watched this. There's no reason you will not like it. Better than Naruto, better than Bleach, better than Air Gear. You name a famous anime out there, this beats it hands down. And that's saying a lot because there's a lot of good anime out there. And I feel like they're starting to come out with a lot more good anime. And I'm also throwing another one at y'all. A lot of people say Sword Art Online is a fantastic anime. I think this beats it. Head and shoulders above Sword Art Online. Definitely go eBay that, Funimation, wherever you can find it. Go buy this. If you don't like it, holla at your boy. I'm out of here. Peace.